You make $60,000 a year. You're not broke. You're not rich. But somehow, every single month, you're basically starting from zero. No emergency fund, no investments, just surviving. And the wildest part, that's not an income problem. That's a rules problem, because the people living financially stable lives on 45,000 aren't smarter than you. They just follow a different set of rules. And nobody ever taught you what those rules actually are. You will always spend whatever hits your checking account. Always. It's not a willpower issue. It's just human psychology. So the first rule is brutal and non-negotiable. Automate your savings before you touch your paycheck. Here's the actual math. You earned $5,000 a month after taxes. If you wait until the end of the month to save what's left. According to a 2023 Bankrate study, 57% of Americans save literally $0 that way. Zero. But if you automate just $500, 10%, the moment your paycheck hits, you adjust. You eat out 4 times that week instead of 6. You survive. And in 12 months, you have $6,000 sitting in a high-yield savings account, earning 5% APY at somewhere like Marcus or SoFi. Untouched. That's not discipline. That's architecture. You designed your financial life, so the right thing happens automatically. Now, you might be thinking, Raj, I've heard the cut your lattes advice. I'm not doing that. I'm not talking about lattes. I'm talking about the slow bleed. Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, Amazon Prime, LinkedIn Premium, that gym membership you haven't used since January. That app subscription you forgot existed. The average American carries $219 per month in subscription costs, according to a 2023 C+R research study. That's $2,628 a year on autopilot, silently draining your account while you sleep. Think about it this way. That same $219 invested monthly in an S&P 500 index fund at the historical average return of 10%. In 20 years, that's over $150,000. You're not spending $219 a month on subscriptions. You're spending $150,000 of future wealth. That reframe changes everything. The rule: audit every recurring charge every 90 days, not once a year. Every 90 days. Set a calendar reminder right now. This is where it gets really interesting and where most financial advice completely fails you. You've heard save 3 to 6 months of expenses. Fine, but here's the part they skip. What counts as an expense? Most people calculate rent, food, utilities. They forget car insurance renewal. They forget the annual Amazon Prime charge. They forget the $800 dentist bill. These aren't surprises, they're predictable, irregular expenses. And without a separate fund for them, they blow up your budget every single time. The rule: keep 2 separate buckets. Bucket 1, your emergency fund. This covers true disasters, job loss, medical emergencies. Bucket 2, your sinking fund. You put $100 a month into it. When the car registration hits, you're already covered. Financial stability isn't about having a lot of money. It's about having the right money in the right bucket at the right time. Forget complicated budgets. One number tells you if you're on track: your savings rate. If you're saving less than 15% of your take-home income, you are permanently behind, not a little behind. Decades behind. Bring it to 20%. You shift from surviving to building. That one number is the scoreboard. 3 things. Do them today, not this weekend. Today. Step 1. Log into your bank right now and set up a $50 automatic transfer to a separate savings account. Start small. Build the habit. Step 2. Pull up your last credit card statement and find every subscription charge. Cancel at least one before you close this video. Step 3. Open a notes app. Write down your take-home monthly income. Calculate 15%. That's your savings target. Now you have a number, not a feeling. Financial instability is a choice, not because you're lazy, but because you've been following rules that were never designed to make you stable. 5 years from now, you're either going to look back at this moment as the turning point, or you're going to be in the exact same place, just 5 years older, wondering where the money went. The rules are simple. The math is on your side. The only thing missing is the decision to start. If this hit different, subscribe. I drop this kind of breakdown every single week, and comment below, which of these rules are you starting with? I read every single one.